When we say work smarter and not harder, have a second stream of income, lots of people think that we just come here to talk for the sake of talking. And the reality is, when something happens to you, is when you feel it, you're like, oh, it is true, it is important. I'm not feeling well today, and I have responsibilities. I have to show up at work, but I cannot show up to work when I'm not feeling well, because I know I'm not going to be effective. Okay, I'm a mom of 4, so I need to show up for my family, but I know at home I can work at my own speed. I can do things in my own way, but at work I can't do that because I have to be effective. You show up at work, you have to work. So this is why I'm here to say that it is time to think of how to have a second stream of income. You cannot be well 365 days. Let's be honest, we're humans. The days your body is just cannot function. Why? It just happens. It's human. So that is why we have to find a way to outsmart the system. You're already giving your time 9 to 5 or even 12 hours for you to get paid. And the worry is, I'm tired, I'm not feeling well, I'm burned out, but I have to go to work, because if I don't go to work, I'm going to lose a 1 day or 2 day pay. What does that mean? Not unless you have a long sick leave where the health system does cover up. But if you just sick 1 or 2 days, sometimes even 3 days, you can't go to work, you are just wondering, I'm going to lose so much money. This is why I'm here to say a second stream of income is not an option. You have to find it. You have to create a second stream of income that it can cover you the days when you cannot be able to show up at your working place. And I'm saying this because it's something that I've experienced today, or I know I've experienced before, but I've experienced today. I woke up, I was not feeling well at all. And I was like, I can't go to work like this because it's not possible, So let's work smarter and not harder. Let's outsmart the system. How is it possible for you to continue your everyday 9 to 5 or 12 or 11 hours? I don't know how many hours you work. How is it that you can now find that after you're from work, what can you do extra for yourself that is going to bring you that even when you're at your working place, there's also a business running for you. It's bringing you income. What do I mean? You're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So you're being paid because you're working, but you're also having a business system that is working at the back, or is working for you 24/7, because my business model, it works 24/7. So when I'm busy doing other activities, my business is running because it's automated. I don't need to chase people. I don't need to push products. All I need is to use the social media. I only need to do what? Have the right mindset and do the training, work my business. And this business is running as I continue my everyday activities. Let's work smarter and not harder. So if you are looking for a solution, it's something you've been thinking about, it's something you've been planning, but you don't know where to start, I want to invite you from an honest talk. Watch a free complimentary info session that will give you more details about my business model. The webinar is free to watch. You simply just need to put your name and email on my website and watch the webinar. And you have time. You watch it as many times you want to watch it. Watch it and learn. How is it possible for you to earn passive income? It's a business like any other business. You have to show up, you have to learn new skills, but it's a business worth checking out because it's a flexible, portable business. Nobody is going to pressure you. Nobody is going to push you. It is your own business. As long as you're coachable, as long as your why is big, you're tired, you need a change. You are not going to change your situation by simply relying on only one stream of income. We've had a situation a few years ago, the whole country, the whole world had been locked down. How many people lost everything? So let's work smarter and not harder. So that's what I wanted to share here. And by the way, I'm Hannah. I'm a wife. We have 4 children. I work full time and I run my business as a Plan B digital business. And I also help other people discover and learn how they too can leverage online and earn passive income. So take a leap of faith. Check out You can make it too. Nothing is impossible. It's just a matter of getting out of that comfort zone. Don't tell yourself, I'm okay. You don't know what is ahead. You don't know what tomorrow. I'm not wishing bad, but it's good just to plan ahead. It is best. Plan yourself well. Have an excellent day. God bless you.